Running out of power on the road can be stressful. What if your car could be a super-fast charging station? Meet the DJI Power Super-Fast 1 kilowatt car charger. Compact, safe, and easy to use, it delivers fast, reliable power without overheating or draining your battery. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, how to use, device settings, and safety precautions. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the DJI Power 1 kilowatt super-fast car charger unit, 5-meter-long 70A car charging cable, a fuse box, 100-amp fuse, M5 screw, and M4 screw. Want to grab the DJI Power 1 kilowatt super-fast car charger from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. Automatic two-way power management. The charger's primary smart function is its ability to switch intelligently between two modes to protect and manage both the power station and your vehicle's battery. Recharge mode. Reverse charge mode. Auto mode. Smart app control. With the DJI Power dongle, you can connect to the DJI Home app for advanced monitoring and control. Connect with wireless connectivity, customize settings, adjust charging power, monitor real-time status. System safety and protection. The charger incorporates safety features to protect both the user and the equipment. Stabilize voltage, controlled power delivery, protects circuit. Specifications. How to use. Update the power station firmware with DJI Assistant 2 Power Series and power off the device. Place the charger, power station, and expansion battery in a safe, ventilated spot, away from heat or impact. Route cables carefully, avoiding sharp edges, friction, or compression, and secure them properly. Loosen terminal screws on the charger, remove washers, and connect the round cable terminals, red to positive, black to negative. Reinstall washers, tighten screws, and cover the terminals with the charger powered off. On the car battery, connect the black cable to the negative post, secure with a washer and nut, then attach the fuse cable to the positive post. Connect the charger's red terminal to the fuse cable, secure it, and close the fuse box cover. Connect the charger to the SDC port of the power station. If an expansion battery is used, connect it to the lower port instead. For the 1 kilowatt charger, toggle the power switch to turn it on. The indicator will glow green to confirm operation. On bumpy or long drives, secure the product firmly for safety. Device settings. After connecting the power station to the DJI Home app, you can view input or output info and enter settings to check details or update firmware. Tap Energy Management, Recharging Settings, then choose Auto, Recharging or Charging mode and adjust parameters. In Auto mode, the system switches between charging and recharging based on the car battery voltage. For the 1 kilowatt charger, press and hold the mode button to switch modes. The solid green light shows the active mode. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your DJI Power Super Fast Charger. See you in the next one.